When I first came and looked at this house, it was nothing like it is now. I knew I wanted certain things, certain items, certain ways. And Paragon worked with me in making my house mine in every way. The bathroom, the master bath, is the colors that I like. My master closet is set up in a way that is functional for me. My kitchen is my colors. I love the colors that I've got in my kitchen. They told me a start date, they told me an end date, and they met every single project date, finish date, delivery date, everything. It was unreal how well it all turned out. So my advice to someone would be, sit down with Paragon, tell them what your vision is, and let them make it for you.